Hello everyone, welcome to Brown Being. Guys, this video is all about subscription boxes. Now this concept sounds a little new to us Indians, but it's a very common and popular idea in the West. There are various kinds of subscription boxes. There are beauty boxes, clothes, accessories, food, makeup boxes. In this video, I'm primarily focusing on the beauty boxes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to answer some of the most common questions regarding this concept. And here's the first question. Now, subscription boxes are boxes that contain a combination of 4 to 7 products, which may be sample-sized or maybe full-size products. They may be from the same brand or maybe from a variety of brands. And the boxes are delivered to your doorstep every month at a particular date or so. And they will be delivered to you for the exact number of months that you sign up for. For example, there is 3 months plan, 6 months plan, and 12 months plan as well. Majority of subscription box services keep the elements of their boxes as surprise, and the boxes are beautifully packed. So when you receive the box and open it, it feels like you have received a surprise gift, and it's a different kind of feeling. The first advantage is definitely convenience. All the products are delivered to your doorstep every month. Saves a lot of your time and effort. You don't have to roam around to search for the perfect product. The second advantage is that you save a lot. Consider buying 5 or 6 products at MRP or 5 or 10% discount maybe. May cost you up to 2500 or 3000. But when you opt for a subscription box, you just have to pay 6 to 1100 for the same. So there is definitely lots of saving. Another good point about subscription box is that you feel special. When every month a surprise box full of products specially curated for you is delivered to your doorstep, and when you open it, it feels like it's your birthday. So it's a very special kind of feeling. Also, since the boxes are beautifully packed, it becomes a great gifting option as well. But there are also some disadvantages of opting subscription boxes. You don't get to choose your products that will go into your box. They are already curated boxes that you have to either buy or not buy. I understand that it's always a great feeling to look forward for a surprise box every month, but sometimes the surprise doesn't turn out to be a special one and you get disappointed, or you were not expecting such products, or you are not able to accept those products. In that case, you cannot do anything. Another disadvantage of buying a subscription box is that it feels like you are overbuying. There is a great possibility that you would not buy all those 5 or 6 products if they were not in a box. And also, it feels like you are overspending. Consider you need a product that has never appeared in any of your subscription boxes, but you need it. Then you go to the market and buy and pay for it. So that way, you're paying for your subscription box and also those products which were not included in the box. No, of course not. There are various plans available. If you do not want to subscribe or commit to the company and you just want to try one box, then you can go for that. And you just have to pay standard amount. Then there is 3 months plan. If you opt for a 3 months plan, you pay for that in advance. And you will get 3 boxes, like 1 box per month for 3 months. And if you opt for a plan like that, you will get extra discount on the already discounted price. Also, if you go for 6 months plan, then you will get even more discount. And the same goes for 12 months. So I'm going to list the names of some of the good subscription box services in India. They are all beauty box services. I'm going to list their names with their special features and their standard prices so you can decide for yourself. Alright guys, so that was all. If you like the concept of subscription boxes as much as I do, then please write in the comment section below. Also, if you have any query regarding the subscription box concept, then please write in the comment section so that I can solve it.